In this exercise, you will learn about the MIG welding process. The main equipments are required for MIG welding are AC or DC power supply, welding torch or gun, wire electrode, shielding gas cylinder, cooling system, and remote current control. Welding gun utilizes a consumable electrode. The consumable electrode is fed from wire reel. The wire reel is operated by wire feed drive motor and it is controlled by wire feeder system. The welding gun is connected with cables to the power supply and with hoses to the shielding gas source and cooling system. When the power supply is switched on, power is transmitted from power source to control system. This control system allows the shielding gas to flow to the welding gun and make the wire feed drive motor to run. Meanwhile, the power supply heats the wire electrode when the electrode wire flow button is pressed in the welding gun. An arc is produced between the electrode and workpiece. The electrode in the torch and the base metal melt due to the heat developed by the arc. While the arc is produced, the inert or semi-inert gas passes through the holder and surrounds the electrode and the arc. The pressure of the shielding gas can be adjusted by gas regulator in the cylinder from 25 to 80 psi pounds per square inch. The flow can be measured by flow meter, which has a manually operated needle valve which controls the organ flow from 10 to 60 SCFH standard cubic feet per hour. This protects the weld from the atmospheric gases such as nitrogen and oxygen so that oxidization in welded area is prevented. As a result of this shielding gas, a clean and precise weld is formed. Thus, the metals will be welded by melting the base metal and the wire electrode and depositing it into the weld portion. The high temperature generated in the electrode is reduced by passing water from the cooling system. Remote current control is used to change the welding current occasionally without going near the power source. This MIG welding is also called as semi-automatic arc welding, and automatic arc welding is done by robot. Thus, you have learned about the MIG welding process.